Okay, let's face it. Tonight I'm really thrilled because I have my new Kimber, which has arrived. I've fired it a few rounds, as you can tell from the suit in front of the gun. Here we go. Um, I'm 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 going to put it apart. I'm going to clean it up and get all this done. I love this gun. Uh, it's it's I'm being told it's probably one of the best 1911s money can buy. This is a modern gun. Let's see what's inside. Let's put it apart together. Um, can't be that hard. But let's just pull everything apart. So let's see if everything comes off. There we go. That's looking pretty good here. Let's check. Oh yeah, it's got like a QR code inside. Uh, Gone to the other side. Okay. Now these screws are screws I had with some G10 grips, and I find them really much nicer than what comes with a gun. So that's the first thing I did is I actually just changed these screws, makes it mine, um, without having to engrave my name on it. Uh, let's There's nothing we can't go wrong in putting everything apart. I'll remove I'll also remove the trigger, so I might as well remove the there we go. That's a bit for when I remove the trigger in a few minutes, in a few moments. Let's oh, that's pretty hard. That's pretty hard. Let's use the tool. Let's use the tool. Okay. The tool's good. Okay, the spring retainer is here. Let's remove the slide stop. Let's remove the slide. Let's see. Let's remove the bushing altogether. So that's done. We remove the spring. Oh, that's harder than what I was expecting. So let's remove this. Okay, that's that. The barrel. Everything is marked and has QR codes on it. Now, if you can tell, I'll try to do a quick shot on these. Maybe here. There we go. See, everything is all the parts are QR coded. Why not? Why not? First time I clean it up. So let's learn. Let's remove the mainspring. It probably is also the first time it actually it's going to be pulled apart that much. Okay, that's that. That's looking pretty good. And here we go. The mainspring housing retainer is removed. Well, except that the tool I used is also in the gun. So I'm going to remove it in a couple of seconds. Let's see if I have the hammer pushed back. That would be much easier. There we go. Mainspring housing is off. Okay, now let's remove the safety. It's simple enough. Let's remove the second safety. What's that? That has to come off something else. That can't come from this. Can't be from the gun. Can be. I'll check again on the video later, but it can't come from the gun. Oh, here's the spring. Let's remove now the hammer. So only one. Oh, it's really beautifully done. It only goes one way. Okay, the retainer for the hammer. That's the hammer moved away. The leaf, the spring, the 3-leaf spring is out. That's that. And let's remove. Oh, now that there are some new bits there which I didn't know what they're from. That's a new thing. That's a new part inside. We'll have to learn what this does. That's going to be a bit more challenging. I'm sure it goes into that hole that's there. There's a special hole there, and this part here must, when we press the trigger, be of some sort of let's check in the slide. Here we go. There is it's like a Model 80, but on the Kimber it has this part which must press this little part here. So we have to find a way of putting this back one stage or another. Can't be that hard. Let's remove. That was quick. There we go. Normal bits. Let's check this. This has not been touched. Okay, nice and polished. Okay. This connector. The trigger comes out as well. Might as well. Okay, and we're left with the base of the gun. Let's remove the firing pin while we're at it. Can't be that hard either. Oh, now we have to remove the safety. We have to press on the safety so that the there we go. And now I should be able to remove. Maybe not. Let's press this safety again. The firing pin. Okay, that's that. Inside. Okay. I can see here the workings, the inner workings. When I press the safety here, it presses on the spring and it acts like a guillotine, when it comes here and when it comes through. So let's see how that works out. So it's all pulled apart by now, I think. Yeah, let's check the barrel. Let's give you a quick look. Maybe not. Let's put something white. There we go. The barrel is nice and neat. Let's clean him up. What's going to be challenging is putting this part here back in. There has to be one way and not two ways about it, but we'll double check in a minute. So let's clean up our barrel nicely first. Okay. Whoa. Now this has never been cleaned, ever. Just checking it out, it's just never been cleaned, or not correctly, or not fully, or let's face it, or at least hasn't been thoroughly cleaned up, because I think the gunk that's here should be able to, yeah, gets removed here. So what I'll do is I'll put some special products on there to remove all the gunk. Back in the tick, just going to clean up the barrel. I'm coming back with it in a second.